must have been love, but it's over now.
Okay guys, really quick tutorial how we can make this happen. For the girl, she's starting in her right leg. What she needs to do, she moving from her right to the left, turn around, both her right. So she's switching like left, right, left. And at this spot, we have to adjust. So we have to accept the weight. So we go a little bit lower, we bend our knees a bit, and our body weight is supposed to be aligned with her. So her center is supposed to be approximately your center. So when she plays the arm, you should have a little support here. For the lady, it's very important that you're not going to have a little noodle arm. We have to adjust, have to accept the twig. So I have pressure from her. The second arm, it goes around the waist, right? And I have to hold her here. So my forearm goes behind her back and it's pretty set here. So it's not this. It's connected and closed nicely. So I have first spot, second spot, and my legs. So when I'm ready to accept, I bring her up. And I have to bring her up on the level of my hip. Our centers are supposed to be aligned here. So then at each turn, you basically will not travel so much. You have to place your leg foot. So the feet work, but you have to do, guys, hey, not trying to run around sound. Don't do that. So basically carry on. To move with her weight, you do that, but don't overdo it. Okay, for the ladies, we have to create beautiful position with your legs. So when she goes up, lip it. You're gonna have a little lean on the side. It's natural because your weight is here. So you have to centralize your weight, right? So then when you're done, you accept your weight, place nicely, lady. It goes soft, not doing, and she go lean to the right tuck. And you can finish here or there. Good luck.
Thanks for watching. Katya is wearing LunaSol wedding heels designed with the features of professional dance shoes for comfort from aisle to after party. Shop now at lunasoldance.com.